Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the massage chair. I hadn't seen too many reviews on it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents. It's kind of based off my experience with it and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention real quick too, I actually found a pretty good deal on this massage chair. And I'll put a link to that in the description below so you can check that out if you're interested in getting one for yourself. So I was in the market for a massage chair. I'd seen them before, used them before. Maybe you've tried them out at Brookstone or Sharper Image at the mall or something like that. Anyway, I was looking for one and did a lot of research online, asked a lot of questions, checked out Reddit, different places like that. And everybody said, kind of pointed towards these Real Relax massage chairs. They said they're cheap, but they're really, really good for the money. So basically, long story short, I love this massage chair. I think it really does work really, really good. I'm really surprised, especially for the money, how good this thing works. I didn't think it was going to be nearly as good. I thought there must be some catch. Why is it, so cheap? But there really is no catch. It maybe doesn't have 100%, like all the bells and whistles that maybe a $3,000 or $4,000 massage chair has. Maybe less programs, things like that. Just more simple use, simple programs. But that's really all you need. Anyway, so most important thing, right, is the massage, and this gives an unbelievably good massage. There's over 8 rollers in it, and that's just for their back alone. There's foot rollers, and there's 50 airbags inside this unit that all work independently. There's 4 programs that come from the factory. Those are automatic programs that sense your weight, sense everything, and just kind of do its own thing. I've never needed anything more than that. For me, that's plenty. I really only use about 1, maybe 2 of the programs, even at that. Basically, like, you have like your auto full body, you have your like back and neck, and then you have like arm, legs. There's a few different ones, but it's very simple to use. It works really good. It is 0 gravity, which means it reclines you to there's 3 different levels basically. There's like a kind of, I would say, maybe like a 30-degree incline, and then like a 40-50-degree incline, and then a full 90-degree incline. You can do it depending on how deep you want the massage, but the nice thing about 0 gravity is it decompresses like your spine and all your joints, so you can really get a deep massage with that. I mean, if you think about it, it's the same reason why when you're getting a massage, you lay on your back or you lay on your front. It decompresses your spine and your joints, so you can, and your muscles for that matter too. They don't give you a back massage while you stand up. So anyway, yeah, I love this thing a lot. Like I said, it's very rare that you find an item that is a really good deal that works really, really good, and this is one of those items. If you were to go into like Sharper Image or something like that, I would easily put this on par with their $3,000 to $4,000 massage chair. Maybe not quite as good as their like $8,000 chairs, but you're getting this thing at like a fraction of the price. So that's what I would put it on par with. It still punches way above its weight. Highly recommend this thing, really like it. If you guys have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer them for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.